guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to fit some carbon arch guards to the F82 M4, and it probably applies to the F80 M3 saloon as well. So I'm going to take you through step by step. Seems pretty simple. There's just a couple little tricky bits which I had to search up when I first tried to fit them on my 140i, so I thought I'd make a quick video to show you how to do it on an F82 M4. So yeah, I'll take you through it step by step. So the first little tip that I needed to know was that they don't just mount onto the outside here. You have to take out these pop rivets and it slots back in behind this bit, just these two here, so you get a nice flush finish and it's much stronger. And then in the kit you get two more pop rivets which you use to put back in to secure it on. So to get these out, they have a little, if you can see in there, a little indent. So if you use something pointy, press them in and then use some pliers to gently pull them out. That's the best way to do it. Once you have pushed in the pot rivet like this, the best way I found is to use a small flathead just to try and get a little bit of the rivet out, so then you can use the pliers of your choice to tease them. Now that you've got the pot rivets out, you can see this shrouding lifts away. Now what you want to do is take your carbon arch, tuck the top in, and then you want to line it up by simply pushing it in until the holes line up here and here for the new pop rivets to go in. The little rivets simply go in like that, and then you want to push the long nib in and then they're fully secured in place and you're good to go. So that's both front arches installed. They do just add that little bit of, it's hard to explain, not aggression, just a little bit of extra to the exterior. They do make a difference. They're only small, really do make a difference. Installing the rear arch guards is a bit more tricky. You need to get an 8mm and preferably get your car jacked up just to give you a bit more space in between here to be able to get your tools in, because in the end you'll only have about half this space because of the chocks on the screws that come with the kit. But take your 8mm socket and just take these two bolts out, simple enough, and that's the first step. So these are the bolts, screws for the rear guards. This chock keeps them in place, so as you can imagine, to keep them flush, sitting flush with this part of the car. So this is what they look like in, and then obviously that then screws into the holes where the bolts used to be. Now you've got the bolts removed, it's actually much easier just to remove the wheel of the car. Then you have much more space to work. Simply put the block on the other side, screw through and tighten them up into the holes which are here, and that's all you got to do. And just put your wheel back on, make sure your washers are all nice, and that is your rear arch on as well. So here's the car all put back together with the arch guards on. It's only a small upgrade, but I think it really makes a difference and also offers a little bit of protection as well as looking cool. Just keeps this area down here as well as at the back. Gives it a little bit more protection from stones and stuff if you don't want to have PPF or can't have PPF. But I think it just adds to the stance of the thing. And they're really good quality. These ones are from Auto ID, so I'd highly recommend them. But yeah, hope this has helped you. It's not a perfect video, but I tried my best. Yeah, good luck with fitting them to yours.